Alright, welcome in, and today we're gonna be playing this horror game called Death Crystals. I don't know what it's about. Hold on, let me lower my. The volume's okay. Give me a second, because it's quite loud, if I'm being honest. Alright, there we go. That works. We're gonna be playing Death Crystals. See what this is all about. But it's a pretty fun horror game. So I'm gonna start up some music while we play, and let's go. Silent breathing. It gets mad if I run too much. Okay.
This isn't what I wanted. Now I have to deal with this.
Maybe we won't do that. Okay. It doesn't see you, but listen very well. Give me crystal F to hold. Okay. No, I don't. Get rid of my goggles. When I have to collect so many of them. And what do they mean by, it can hear me? Why can I hold my breath? What I'm kind of questioning. The hand looks a little bit different from the Roblox styles, so I'm curious. Oh dear. That's loud. We hear another crystal. Oh, there it is. Okay. I haven't seen whatever it's talking about yet. Okay, so I can sprint. Good to know. I think I hear a creature, I just don't see it. I don't like getting chased, so this might not be the best game for me if it involves getting chased. Don't know yet. Oh, okay, it's right here. There are more. Right. Whoa. It's the blood. Where are the other crystals? Maybe I can use my goggles to find them. My graphics so low because my computer crashes out otherwise. I see one over there. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so it doesn't kill me by touch. Oh, alright. Another glowing sound. Where? Oh, okay, it's right here. And where's the last one? Can't use my goggles until they're fully charged. Dang it. Come on. Alright. Where are you? You're all the way over there? Great, okay. That might be quite the problem. I don't like the ambience. There we go. Oh, what the heck? Okay, we're going. Epic, okay. We're out! Let's go! We completed that pretty easily. Oh my gosh, the character is so cute!
I hope this doesn't take too long.
Oh, I love the voice. But the nightmare is not over yet. Okay. Okay. Hiding spot. What is this? Run only if you are in danger. Don't play with it? Alright. I will not play hide and seek.
Okay, let's do this.
Jeez, there's so many of them. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh. Oh dear. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh, I'm so dead. Oh no. Oh no, please don't find me. I can't tell if it's safe. I'm actually so nervous. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I don't want to do this anymore. That genuinely terrified me. Why do I play these games? Why must I torture myself like this? Like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Jeez, okay. Is he back to hiding? Or... Oh, give me that. Oh, get me out of here, get me out of here, get me out of here. Oh, please stop. It's terrifying. But the nightmare is not over yet again. Oh.
Good thing I have this saved.
What? Okay, why am I using a torch now? Lies told? What is lies told? Pay attention to the sound of the crystals. Oh, what? Oh, oh, oh. What?
Here we go again.
Lies told. Does that 41 left? Excuse me? Wasn't there a different number? Ah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Just go, 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 just go. Ah, ah. Leave me alone! Leave me alone, leave me alone, leave me alone! Ah. Oh god, what the heck? They're everywhere. Oh, oh dear God. Oh, I win? No, I don't. I didn't win. I didn't win. I died. Oh. Lowering the volume of Roblox again. That's too loud. I don't have a crying face yet or a scared face yet, so I just have to go with that. I don't want to go back into lies told. What do you mean there are more of them? Of course there are more of them. There was plenty of them. Instead of it, put they, bro.
Here we go again.
24. 24 left. There's a sound coming from over there, so I don't think I should go collect that. I'm actually scared as heck right now, honestly. There's something down there. Audio cues are key. I can't tell what's different yet, so I just need to focus and pay attention to what is different between the crystals. Nuh-uh. Bruh. What was I meant to do? They cornered me. Oh! I'm out of torchlight. Oh, great. Go, 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 go. Oh, okay. I'm good. Alright. This is terrifying. Why does it? I can't do anything. I can't do anything. How many of them are after me? Hey man, I don't know if I want this job anymore. Again? Oh, jeez. I might make a part two of this instead, actually, because, jeez, that's terrifying. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make a part two next time, and I will finish the game. This game is called Death Crystals by Ink Drop Games. If you want to come check it out. This game is inspired by It Steals, and running can be dangerous sometimes according to the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.